Makakabili tayo ng bigas ngayon dahil dito.
Oo nga tay eh. Nakakasawa na din yung kamoting kahoy.
Parang hindi na to matatapos. Isang bagyo na naman po ang paparating sa Pilipinas. Napakalakas po ng bagyong ito dahil isa po siyang super typhoon.
Well, sobrang laki ng damage talaga. It was one of the biggest typhoon ever. But the government assistance were delayed dahil na din sa kakulangan ng pondo.
Nay!
Ginagawa po namin lahat. No? We're doing whatever we can to help those places that were affected by the typhoon.
Sir, bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa pong natutulungan?
Well, we have to follow the due process kasi and we already filed the cases naman.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Sa makapagtuturo po sa tao na ito, handa po ang gobyerno nating magbigay ng 10 milyong pabuya.
Buhay ang kinuha.
He's been targeting specific officials listed sa flood control anomalies and he hasn't missed a target. Someone deliberately gave him the list.
Team, listen up. The target is armed and extremely dangerous. I am issuing a shoot to neutralize order. Execute with precision.
Yes, sir!
Buhay niyo rin ang kapalit.